It's actually a really nice day out today. It's still a little bit chilly because, you know, it's December, but it's nice and sunny. So I have a few things to get done today. I think I'm gonna try and edit some videos. I'm also going to get my nails done because they're starting to look a little cracked and icky. And then the kids have another concert this afternoon. Katie's concert is today, so we will go watch her as well. Oh, and we never got to our cookies yesterday. We made the dough, so it's been sitting in the refrigerator, so we'll probably try and make that tonight as well. Anyways, let's get started with our day. Good morning, Jax. Have you found a soft place to lay? That's my scarf. I need it back. And also, good morning, birdies. Oh yeah, you guys are not loving the camera this year, are you? It's okay. Good morning. Good morning. So it looks like there's maybe about 4 deer out there this morning. It's kind of hard for me to tell, but they're all just hanging out on that ridge right there. I think I see 4, maybe 5. Oh yeah, there's one right here. Here we go. He's like right behind my fence, this guy. Hello, good morning. What's he doing? That path? That's my fence. Hey, buddy. He is looking at my tree. You wanted to eat that? What you doing, dude? Jax has come up to see what all the hustle is about. Look out there, Jax, there's a deer. This guy's curious. He's just rolling along the fence line checking stuff out. There he goes. Alright guys, I'm heading out to get my nails done, and I need to kind of hustle because the kids have a shorter day today because of Katie's concert, and I still need to edit vlogs. I've been playing with Jax all morning so far. Jason took the kids to their options program, and a couple of you guys asked me what that is. If you search my blog for our curriculum, you'll see a list at the bottom that says options, and basically it's a once a week program that they go to. It's put on by our local school district, and they go and do a variety of different classes. Every year they're different. They're mostly electives, but you can take core classes there. We just typically don't. I usually end up doing those at home. But anyways, that's what that is. They go once a week. They get to be with their friends and have fun, and then I kind of get a day to get a bunch of stuff done. Are you sad? Are you sad? Oh, good boy. Shake. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, I stopped by the pet store again to get some more kitten food for Jax. So he's getting the Merrick Perfect Bistro grain-free kitty recipe. And then we also got him some more of these because these were by far have been one of his favorite toys. And I think that'll be fun. He'll like that. And then my nail salon ladies gave me a cute little gift. It's probably hand cream. I think that's usually what they give out. Anyways, they're so nice, you guys. If you're in my area, send me a text or a DM and I'll tell you which salon I go to. And if you're curious, I put it on Instagram. You guys voted. I did the navy. It's called Russian Navy by OPI, and that's what I put on my toes last time. And I'm glad you guys voted this color. It's really pretty. All right, now it's time for me to eat some lunch and get to work before I have to leave to go to Katie's concert. All right, I think we have a winner. Time for day 16. Oh, this one's pretty. I think Katie will really like that one. It's a nice kind of corally, kind of pinkish color with some yellow. in there. Super pretty. Here are my other days. So here is my progress on my cowl. I added this yellow color last night. Was this one. And I'm not sure, I'll have to see what color Katie wants to add next. She was talking about maybe this purple one, so we'll see. Might be time for another light row as well. Hi, Jax. Anyways, that's my progress so far, and yeah, time to get to work. What do you want? Am I not paying attention to you? Do you need attention? Oh my goodness, Kitty. All right, we are here ready for Katie's concert, and I found this guy wandering around the parking lot.
Wondering how I get in.
Yeah? Want to tell me how your concert went? Good. Good? I didn't realize you were so far back. We had to watch all the grades before we got to Katie. Yeah. You played all those instruments though. That was kind of cool. Yeah. You did look really good.
Daddy's calling you.
Oh. How do you know that? Because your phone's ringing? Oh, Jason's calling. Okay, all right, let's go meet Dad for some food, okay? Okay. All right, ready? All right, let's go, guys. All right, we got all the kids picked up, and we are gonna head out to meet Jason. He had to run back to work for a few minutes, and we're gonna go get some dinner. You guys hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Food. Yes.
No? Would you like to go home?
Yes. No.
We could eat cereal.
Yes. No.
I could cook like rice.
Okay, stop saying things and just let's drive in the bright sun.
Your hair looks orangish.
Good. What is it? Riding
in the weekend with
the wind in my hair.
No, the wind blowing my hair.
It's riding into the weekend with the wind blowing my hair. Blowing my hair makes I like it better.
If you don't know what they're talking about, check back on my Instagram and look for a really fluffy pony with its hair flowing. All right, so I just got a couple of baskets. I got this kind of small, kind of cloth feeling one for Jax's toys. And then I got this larger one to put my knitting projects in. Hopefully this will help. What do you want? What do you want? You wanna go outside? All right, let's go.
Time for day 3 of my tea.
Did you get that flipped on top of yourself accidentally? Would you like some help? Hello? I take it you like your new basket? Ooh, look at this pile of packages we got. How fun. Tonight's tea is gingerbread. This is what it looks like. Let's see how it tastes.
not sure if I like it.
I don't mind it, but I have floaties. The little fibers were so thin they were going through
Mine look like
stringer.
they're on the bottom.
Oh, you have a lot in yours.
Yeah, but they're all settled in the bottom.
Mine are like floating.
Yeah, I'm not sure. It's definitely not my
I actually
favorite.
kind of like it. It's not bad. It tastes like light gingerbread-ish.
Ish.
I don't know. So, oh, before we start, I got a fun package from Teamy today. So they sent me the Teamy Focus Tea and a cute little mug. Look how cute that is. Super nice. I'm excited to try this. This one says, light peppermint taste, all natural stevia leaf for natural sweetness.
I'll have to try it.
Yeah, sounds good.
So I am on
Day 2.
my first day 2. So I did skinny yesterday morning, skinny this morning, and I'm gonna cleanse my colon tonight. So
Yay for cleansing your
I'm
colon.
super excited.
Okay, so an ordinary mom says, are you really fast editor or are you shooting a day ahead? Yeah, actually we are living in the future from what you guys are seeing, because Vlogmas is a lot of work, you guys. And so last year what we did was I was just one day ahead, and so whatever I shot that day, I would stay up really late editing it so it could go up the next day for you guys. And so this year we're living 2 days in the future. That gives me a day to shoot. I don't have to edit it that night. I can edit it the next day and it can get up on time the following day. So we're living 2 days in the future. So it's just a lot of editing. It takes a lot of time and I don't want to have to stay up super late editing. So this one's been working out a little bit better. So yeah, we're living in the future. Hello, people of the past. Your ways are quaint. Okay, Janice Miller says, Jason, what brand of reloading equipment do you have? When we first got married, my husband had an RCBS reloading setup.
Yeah, I know what that is. I have an RCBS reloading setup. I also have a Dillon press, like a progressive press that I use as well.
What's a progressive press?
So, where like instead of having to switch out the dies and do one step at a time, every time you pull the lever, it's doing multiple steps. Because you have to resize the case and knock out the primer, then you got to put a primer in, then you got to measure the powder, and then you got to seat the bullet. And so it's like 5 different steps to reload. And so
what's a die?
We could do a whole video on reloading, but basically
don't.
all the steps at once, I can just be pulling it and it just turns and it's doing one step every time I pull the lever.
Okay.
So stage 1 is knocking out the primer, resizing, while the case here is you know, having powder measured, and then I set a bullet in and seating the bullet, and anyway, it makes it a lot faster. But I do have RCBS single stage that I use a lot for my hunting rifles because I you know, I want to take extra care and take a lot of time and try to get really accurate. Most of the progressive stuff I do is for my pistols.
Right. Emily Hall, has Erica ever left her phone on the back bumper and driven off? Because I have.
Oh, that's funny.
We were on vacation, I got distracted putting up beach stuff, we got back to the hotel and I couldn't find it. My husband drove back, found it crashed on the highway, so tell Jason it could be worse.
Yeah, that actually is probably about as worse as it could get.
I have never done that.
I don't think you have left it on the...
I drop it non-stop all the time. Because see, I'm holding it like this, I'll do and go flying, but yeah, nope.
Yeah, she's never driven over it.
I've never driven
away.
Yeah, no.
Not yet, fingers crossed.
Right? Now that'll happen probably. Liza Gennaro, when you order pre-cuts for quilts, do you order backing at the same time from the same designer as well? And
No,
the answer to that
we
question
get backing.
is yes.
Oh.
What were you gonna say?
I don't know, I was gonna make something up.
Okay.
I don't even know what backing is.
The back side of the quilt, the fabric for the back side. You know how there's a front side of the quilt and then there's a back side?
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, I actually, if I have a quilt in mind, I usually do pre-order backing. The main reason that I do that is because a lot of the fabric that I buy, you know, once they print it and it's done, it's kind of gone, they don't reprint it. And so if I'm hanging on to a bundle for a long time and I haven't bought backing to match it, and then that line goes out of print or whatever, and they go out of print pretty quickly, then you can't get the matching backing. So I kind of like my backing to match exactly my front, and so I do usually buy backing. And if I'm not sure what quilt I'm gonna use, I usually get 4 to 5 yards of the backing, because that's pretty safe bet that it will match any kind of quilt that I'm going to use, and maybe I'll just have a little bit left over. So yes, I usually do. Yeah, so.
Guess I was wrong.
You were wrong.
What about that giant roll of white stuff?
That is batting, that goes in between. So there's the top, the batting, which is the giant roll of white stuff, and the backing, speaking of which, I need more because I'm out. Kathleen Rackow asked Jason, what age did you start hunting, and what is the biggest fish you have ever caught?
I actually started hunting, well, that's not true. I started hunting mostly as an adult, but I did go deer hunting one time and antelope hunting one time when I was 14 with my uncle, and I went dove hunting a couple times with a neighbor, but mostly as a kid we just did like trap and skeet and mostly shotguns. And then as an adult is when I got into hunting. I met a friend at church who was into it and kind of got me into it. And then the biggest fish I've caught was I don't know, nothing to, like, no world records or anything crazy like that. We catch trout at the lake behind our house, and
no, we ate one. We had one that was
maybe
like
18 inches.
Yeah, we ate him. Everybody got, he wasn't big enough to eat for dinner though. Everybody got to.
Oh, that's not, I let him go. I'm talking, yeah, some of them, they
I
stock it, so they stock them. They're like, it's almost impossible to catch anything less than like 12 inches there.
Yeah.
But the biggest fish I probably caught, yeah, would probably be like 18 inches, and you know, it's more about the weight, or, you know, to me. So, and I let them go.
Yeah,
I try to anyway, because I'm, you know,
Jason
I don't
like
actually like fish, so
yeah. So we kind of.
Yeah.
We try, if we catch them, we eat them, and so yeah, he doesn't really like fish. So they usually catch and release. And Katie catches actually a lot of them, doesn't she? She
catches a lot of fish. She's the fisher. She's the fisher girl.
Fisherwoman.
Fisherwoman.
Fisherman. Fisher.
Like we'll go and nobody's catching anything, and Katie's catching like 3 or 4.
Yeah.
So. Okay, guys, that's it for us. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Our room's messy.
Excuse the camera, we got a kitty down here going bonkers, and his toy is caught under the thing. Can you? Hey, Katie, can you come get this kitty?
Yeah.
He's attacking the camera again. Stop it.
Where's my teeny cup?
This scarf and this hat.
Yeah, but I'm like getting tired of this.
Hey, let's do the biggest fish thing, and I'll use it for my clip. Man, you know how to do a quick ending. I'm all, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow for more Vlogmas. You're like, see ya, bye.